Hello everyone, and welcome to What It, Optimus and Ratchet Talk Team Rodimus. Let's get out of the story. Well, our story begins with the Atato on Trentoner's time goes of the team to a of the Atato. Although that though we're here of court Optimus time and Ratchet get in there of the warship. Although that though then and that though they were indebted by comic was. Although that though where a court goes of the time to a on the Optimus time get indebted of court. But in this timeline the Dr. Optimus time dies into conflicts what he was taken by what aka Rodimus, and told Jesus, "Hey, Time, are you alright?" And told Optimus Time says, "Yet, I'm alright." But wait, what? And told what? aka Rodimus says, "Well, you can call me Rodimus, of course. And I think you better to see that on my team, Optimus Prime." And so we're Team Optimus Prime and Ratchet meet the Rodimus team of the warship of that tow. And of course, the team on what is it, aka Hot What, although that stole it. Red alert, blow, hot shot, Hot What, aka what is this, and high height. And so Optimus Prime says, "You all need to get back to the old stage right now." And so then they go back to the old stage of that show, and so Rodimus team meet Team Time and of course the humans on the planet Earth. Until then, Optimus Time says, "Welcome to the Team Time and welcome to Earth, Team Rodimus." And that is going to lead to now, everybody. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the part 2 on What It, Optimus and Ratchet Talk Team Rodimus.